What's up, guys? Welcome back to Donatello's Workshop RC. It's me, David here, the Dave. Just kidding. All right, I'm gonna take this for a quick cruise. That's it. Make sure that I got it sorted right. Did a little work on it. I did re-gear it. I had it. This was geared pretty low. This had a 21 tooth on it forever. Spur that, excuse me, pinion that is. On the stock, 82 tooth spur. So I just want to go for a cruise. I just got back from a bike ride. I'm in the mood to drive. It's nice outside. Thought I'd record it and let you guys see this thing rip a little bit. The footage is better now that I've got my headset mount. Don't forget to plug this in, Dave. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Surpass. This is the same combo as the Silver Pen. And now that I think about it, guys, I'm pretty sure it's 3800 kV and then 45 amp. So it's not overpowered by any means. It's just right. Now, this is the one where the clutch has been giving me problems. And I've got it basically tightened as far as it'll go. So it's time for a new clutch kit, a rebuild kit. They sell them at Go Fast. They sell them at... There you go. You got this, Dave. I just got back from a sick bike ride up at the farm. A couple buddies of mine. We got mountain bikes, e-bikes. It's fun as hell. Got some really cool trails right here, right where I live. Just jump on my bike and head there from here. No need to load up and unload, you know what I mean? It's just, it's like a 7-minute ride up to the bench, uphill to the benches, and then you're on the trail, and it's pretty wicked sick trails. Yep. Glasses, controller. All right, I'll see you guys out there. You wanna go, Bear? All right, what's up? Check out the livery on this thing. This is my rat rod, I call it. Bear, come here. You wanna be on a leash? Come here. All right, so let's get this thing trued up. This thing's fun. I really like it. And you can hear the clutch, but actually when it warms up a little, it gets better. Grabs a little. See? Like that. It's right after school. Freaking probably gonna be busy. Come on, Bear. I think it looks cool going down the road. The Rat Rod Rebuild Project, yep. So this is my original RC10T. It's a black pen. I had it stripped all the way down, needed love. It was just a chassis, not even a rolling chassis. I started with getting my CVs. I bought new CVs for it. I went through the tranny, tried to sort the clutch, got all that figured out. Oh, that's what it was. I didn't have a tranny, so I got a tranny for it from Fan RC. I got one like the last one they had before the new. They're building some. I hope they make more. I need another tranny. I need a spare one. Stay here. No, Bear. Stay here. There you go. Boom. Yeah, dude. Fun. Let's do a quick run of this real quick. But I always say that and then I have fun and I don't want to go in. So I end up having half-hour long videos. This thing looks cool, man. Going down the road, don't you think? Ooh, yeah, baby. I like the suspension on this one. I loosened it back up a little. See how the wheel's not pulling up anymore? Well, it is if I go really tight, but it's rolling. I got a tiny bit of droop now in it, tiny bit. It's firm, but it's drooped out a little. These are those dirt web, no, those clay web tires. I can't remember what they're called, but they work pretty good on the road too. They're for high traction, clay, track. They're like little webs. They freaking rip on the street. They're also pro lines. Me and a buddy on my Facebook page, Donatello's Workshop RC, we're talking about those road tires Proline used to make. He scored a whole set on eBay. They're really getting hard to find. I have a set on my MT2 18SS, and I have a couple rear sets for my T's that I'm not running them right now because I like them when you have front and rear the best. But I've also ran them in the rear with carbers in the front. They perform really well that way too. But yeah, he's rebuilding his T and he's putting those on front and rear, and they're sick. They're just the sickest road tire for this size wheel that you could get. And for street bashing, I wish they still made them. We all wish they still made them. It's really good. Bear, get out of the road. Yeah, this thing's addictive. It's fun. The Rat Rod, man. How can you go wrong? All right, you want to see it go through the grass? Oh, recovered. I can't land that square. Probably just too much damn bounce speed. There you go. There you go. Hey! Yeah, this clutch is struggling. Bear, come here. Time for a new freaking clutch. Get her legs stretched out a little here. I'm easing into the throttle because freaking clutch is just toast. It'd be really fun with a fresh clutch, super quick off the line. That'd be fun. Bear. Yeah, guys, this clutch is unfortunately toast. Bear! Where'd that dog go? Bear! Come on. Come on. Come on. You're not gonna mind me. It's a little windy. You guys want to do a double header and go grab the PR? Dude, this thing's cool. I think it looks sick on the road. It's kind of pretty too. I did a two-tone, maroon and blue. It's kind of weird and abstract, but and I didn't even back it. I did not back it. I just left it and decaled it up. And it's an old body, guys. It's old. Oh, it's that Parma body. Yeah, somebody asked me on my Facebook what kind of body it was. And I couldn't think of it at the time. Then I looked at the sticker I put on the back and it's definitely a Parma body. They make the Chevy one too. No, see. This is the Chevy one. They make a Ford one too. So yeah, they made the 57 Chev and the 50s Ford. All right, let's take her in. Ooh, she's dirty and she's warm. Actually, not, it's warm, definitely, but it's not too bad. All right. That was fun, guys. That was fun. You guys, I do have a clutch rebuild kit, actually. I am really tempted to just drop the tranny tonight and get it done, get it handled. Check it out. I think it's in here even. Just bag of parts. Look at that. There it is. There it is right there. Comes with an idler. This is the updated one, so you guys have to tell me. I'm really not sure if I actually have to swap the idler out or not. I think I'll just do it though. So there you go. And this is the Fan RC one, by the way. GoFastHobbies.com. And dude, I'm gonna throw that on tonight. That is my project for the night. So, all right, catch you guys later, man. Thanks.